Planning Easter baskets this year but tired of the same old candy overload? Wondering how to create baskets that feel thoughtful, fun and unforgettable? Looking for Easter basket ideas that wow kids, teens, adults, even last-minute shoppers? Want creative baskets that feel meaningful and Instagram-worthy without overspending? Then stay right here, because today we're unlocking Easter basket ideas that are cute, clever, budget-friendly and guaranteed to bring smiles. What makes a great Easter basket truly special? A great Easter basket goes beyond candy, it tells a story. The best baskets combine fun treats, useful items, and a personal touch that matches the recipient's personality. Choosing a theme or colour palette instantly makes the basket feel intentional and memorable. How can I create Easter baskets for kids that feel exciting? For kids, mix playful toys, colourful snacks, and small surprises like bubbles, stickers, or storybooks. Add interactive items like puzzles or craft kits to keep the fun going beyond Easter morning. Bright fillers and themed characters make the basket feel magical. If these ideas sparked inspiration, hit like and share this video with someone planning Easter baskets too. It truly helps spread the joy. What are some creative Easter basket ideas for toddlers? Toddlers love texture, colour and familiarity. Soft plush toys, board books, stacking cups, and snack pouches work perfectly. Choose a reusable basket or fabric bin that parents can use later for toys or storage. How do I make Easter baskets fun for teenagers? Teen baskets shine when they feel trendy and personal. Think skincare minis, phone accessories, cozy socks, snacks they love, and gift cards. Skip childish themes and use sleek containers like totes or backpacks for a more grown-up feel. What are unique Easter basket ideas for adults? Adult Easter baskets can be luxurious, cozy, or practical. Fill them with candles, gourmet chocolates, self-care items, coffee blends, or wine accessories. Keeping a refined theme instantly elevates the basket into a thoughtful seasonal gift. Comment below, who are you making Easter baskets for this year? Kids, teens, adults, or all of them? How can I create Easter baskets on a budget? Budget-friendly baskets start with smart fillers. Use shredded paper, reusable grass, or fabric scraps. Shop dollar stores, buy multi-packs, and focus on fewer but meaningful items. Creativity always beats cost when it comes to Easter baskets. What are some themed Easter basket ideas that stand out? Themes make baskets unforgettable. Popular ideas include spa baskets, art baskets, sports baskets, baking baskets, and outdoor adventure baskets. When everything follows one theme, even simple items feel curated and exciting. How can I make Easter baskets more personalised? Personal touches make all the difference. Add name tags, handwritten notes, favourite colours, or items connected to hobbies. Even one customised element transforms a basic basket into something heartfelt and memorable. For more themed and personalised gift ideas, check out the full playlist linked in the description. It's packed with creative inspiration. How can I make eco-friendly Easter baskets? Eco-friendly baskets focus on reusable containers and sustainable items. Choose fabric baskets, wooden toys, paper packaging, and consumables instead of plastic fillers. These baskets feel modern, thoughtful, and planet-friendly. What containers can I use instead of traditional baskets? Think outside the basket. Use buckets, storage bins, planters, tote bags, or lunch boxes. Creative containers double as gifts themselves and add extra value while keeping the basket unique. Subscribe for more seasonal decor and gifting ideas that are creative, practical, and always on trend. How do I assemble an Easter basket that looks aesthetic? Stick to a colour palette, layer items by height, and place the largest items at the back. Balance textures and avoid overcrowding. A clean, intentional layout instantly makes any basket look Pinterest-worthy. What are good last-minute Easter basket ideas? Last-minute baskets can still feel special. Grab ready-made treats, small gifts, and wrap them beautifully. Even simple items feel elevated when arranged thoughtfully and finished with a ribbon or tag. How can I include learning or creativity in Easter baskets? Educational baskets are both fun and meaningful. Add puzzles, art supplies, STEM toys, journals, or activity books. These baskets encourage creativity while still feeling exciting and festive. Looking for more creative gift ideas like this? Check out similar videos linked in the description for non-stop inspiration. Where can I find Easter basket items that match this video? You can find many of the basket fillers, containers, and decor featured here through curated links in the description. Shopping through them makes planning easier and ensures everything works beautifully together. All products seen in this video are linked in the description. Easy to browse, easy to build your perfect Easter basket. Easter baskets aren't just about filling space, they're about creating moments. Whether you're crafting baskets for kids, teens, or adults, the right mix of creativity, personalization, and intention turns a simple basket into a memory that lasts. Start with one idea, add your personal touch, and make this Easter truly special. If this video helped you, like and share it with someone who loves Easter creativity. It means a lot. Tell us in the comments, what's your favourite Easter basket idea from today? Explore our Easter and seasonal decor playlist, linked in the description, for more inspiration. Subscribe for weekly decor, gifting, and celebration ideas you'll love. Check the description for more videos just like this, perfect for creative planners. All featured products are linked below, so you can recreate these Easter baskets effortlessly.